Now, so far we have seen the different ways of making a string. In the last lecture, we saw these in different files. I have kept them in the same file. So now our b.py and c.py are empty. Okay. So we'll see a new example. In this example, we will see string inside string. Okay. So I'll make a string with double quotes. Suppose I have to use a string inside string, means I have used suppose single quotes inside double quotes. I can use that very easily. It will not give us any error. We can use a different string inside a different type of string. Means if we have a string of double quotes, then we can use single quotes or triple quotes inside that string. And remember, it will be printed as it is. Okay. So suppose I have this string, print x, save p.py, open command prompt, e drive, cd, go mind, cd python, cd 5str, cd1 basics. Okay, this is our root directory, cls. Now b.py. Okay, now look, he is a good boy, good in single quotes. Okay, so comment x equal to single quotes, he is a double quotes good boy. Okay, now let's print this. Okay, it is also printed as it is. Okay, we can use any type of string, any different kind of string inside a different string. Okay, now let's see triple quotes, x equal to, he is a good, and suppose double quotes. Okay, boy, this. Okay, this is starting of string and this is ending of string. This good is in single quotes and this boy is in double quotes. Okay, so remember, this string will be printed as it is, including the spaces. Okay, so b.py, look, space is also printed, and good in single quotes and boy in double quotes. Okay, we can change the sequence also. Suppose I have single quotes here. Okay, so I can't use single quotes inside single quotes, okay, directly, because this is interpreted as the starting of the single quotes and the next single quote encountered is treated as the ending of the string. Okay, and again this is starting of the string and this is ending of the string. So this is outside our string. Okay, so we should get error here. Okay, b.py, look, we are getting error in good, invalid syntax. Okay, so what if we want to use single quotes inside single quotes? Okay, so there is a concept. So let's see this concept. So this is known as escape sequence. Means if we want to use single quotes inside single quotes, then we have to write it like this, backslash and single quotes. And if we want to write double quotes inside double quotes, then we have to write backslash and then double quotes. Okay, and these are some more sequence, so we'll see them in further lectures. So let's see this backslash. Now this is treated as single quotes inside a string. Okay, this will be treated as end of the string. Okay, so we have to use a backslash here also. Now this is a single quote and this is also a single quote. These single quotes are inside string. These double quotes are treated as it is, and now next single quote will be treated as the end of the string. Okay, so this is the end of the string. Now this should work perfectly fine. b.py. Look, here's a single quote and double quotes as it is. Okay, so these are the different ways in which we can use these characters inside a string. Okay, now you have seen this backslash also. So this is used for writing backslash. Okay, so in programming, if the interpreter encounters a backslash, then it will treat it as an escape sequence. But what if we want to write backslash in a string? So we will use a backslash and a backslash. Okay, so this backslash is used for escape sequence, and this backslash, it is used for printing that backslash in a string. Okay, so let's see. We should get boy and then slash. Look, okay, now let's see. Save this and c.py. In this we will see multi-line string. We can make multi-line strings only by the use of triple quotes. Okay, so let's try to make the multi-line string with single quotes. Okay, so this is my dummy text. Okay, I'll write it inside single quotes. Okay, so starting of string and ending of string. Okay, inside the text we don't have any single quotes or double quotes. Okay, so this is our string and we will print this, print x. So this will give us error because single quotes is not a multi-line string. Okay, c.py. eval end of line while scanning string literal. Okay, so this is searching for the string literal and it is the end of line and it does not found any string literal. Okay, so it is expecting single quotes here. Okay, so replace this with triple quotes. Okay, so c.py. Now look, no error is coming and the text is printed as it is. We cannot write a multi-line string in single quotes or double quotes. We can try it with double quotes also. It should also give us error. Okay, c.py. It should also give us error. Now look, same error. Okay, end of line while scanning string literal. Saying double quotes is expected here after printing and. Okay, after this text. Okay, printing and. So triple quotes. Okay, simple. Okay, new example, d.py. Suppose we have a name, say John Doe, print x. Okay, cls d.py John Doe. Okay, string is printed as it is. Okay, so let's see each of these escape sequence. We have seen single quotes and double quotes, and we have also seen backslash. Okay, so we will see /p, /n, /r and /t. So first of all we will see /n. Okay, this is the most widely used escape sequence. So /n means a new line. Wherever we use /n, the cursor will shift in the new line in console. Okay, so DOE, this doe, it will be printed in next line. Okay, so save this and d.py John and new line doe. Okay, so this is the use of /n. X equal to John Doe. Now we will see /t. This is used for tab. Okay, do you know what is tab? key above caps lock. Okay, this is tab. Okay, see, I am giving tab here. Okay, so this is tab. So we will see it in console. Okay, John Doe. Okay, so 1 2 3 4. In some system it is of 6 spaces or 4 spaces. We can control the size of tab. Okay, so in my system it is of 4 spaces, so this is tab. Okay, so let's see this slash uppercase n. Okay, so this is not in the sequence. We cannot use uppercase in these. Okay, we have to only use lowercase. So let's see, d.py Unicode escape code C can't decode bytes in position. Okay, so this is slash n. Okay, the error is of slash capital N. It is not recognized as an escape sequence, so this is not okay. Okay, this is wrong. Now we will see slash r. Slash r, this is used for carriage return. Means when slash r is encountered, the cursor will position in the very beginning of the console. So let's see, d.py. Look, when we have written John, John, then slash r is encountered and the cursor comes in the very front of the console, that is on J. Okay, so after J is overridden by D, because after R D is encountered, then O is overridden by E, and H is overwritten by O. So we are getting DEON. Okay, DEON. Okay, so this is the purpose of carriage return. It will comes in the very beginning of the line. Okay, let's see B slash P. This is of backspace. Okay, X equal to John space slash P and DOE. Notice this space. Now slash P is for backspace. Okay, so look here, space is gone, and if we don't have this space, then N will be gone. Okay, JOH, N is removed because of slash P. Okay, so this is the purpose of slash P. We have seen slash P, slash N, slash R, slash T. Also guys, one thing, in the last folder bool, I forget to show this type. Okay, type of X. So close others. Okay, now we are in for bool folder. So let's see what is the type of X here. And this is not a boolean value. This is something which is wrong. cd dot slash dot dot. We are in Python folder, CLS, cd4 boolean. Okay, a.py class bool. Okay, so in Python there is not boolean class, there is bool class. Okay, that's why I have named my folder as for bool and not boolean. Okay, so this is what I forget to show you all. Okay, so we will continue with strings. So basics is over. In the next lecture we will see the second part of the string. Okay, so that's it for today. Thank you.